Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Morphe x Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. This palette was released on August 13th online at Morphe.com and at Morphe stores. This is a cardboard palette with a magnetic closure and it includes a good quality mirror. This is a 30 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $35 and affiliate codes do apply. My affiliate code is makeup in all caps and my code can be used online or inside any Morphe store at the register. Out of the 30 eyeshadows, 18 are mattes and 11 are shimmers and 1 is a pressed glitter. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed under each eyeshadow. So when I did my swatches, all of the mattes were very pigmented. The formula was soft and pigmented. Some had more kick up than others and I did have some minor fallout. For the shimmers, the formula did vary. Some were creamy and pigmented, but 2 eyeshadows did feel dry and I had to layer it a couple times to get a good swatch. Those 2 shades are Wand Noise and Rose with It. I did notice that the shimmers perform better once you pass the first layer. For the pressed glitter, it's a very good formula. It transfers very easy and it's very pigmented. So overall, if you're a fan of Jeffree Star or you like the color story of this palette, I would definitely recommend it. I only had issues with 2 shimmer shadows, which isn't a big problem. I just thought it'd be important for me to mention it. The rest of the eyeshadows did perform good. The palette is limited edition, so if it's a palette you like, I would recommend purchasing it before it's too late. As of now, it's only available at Morphe and I don't know if it will be available at Ulta. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.